All right, here I am on Carnival Horizons, and this is our room number 7378. Today is 4/22/2018, and we're going to take a tour of our room. Oh, there's my sweetheart. Welcome.
You need to go out on the balcony.
We will go out on the balcony, but we just walked in, and we're going to give you a tour of the bathroom first. This is our bathroom here. Jacuzzi. Full jacuzzi. Full bath. We walk back out. And hi, there he is. How you doing? We have a couch over here. Here's all our water for the day. Karen already has her bottle of
Because you can buy liquor in the port and bring
Bailey's.
it to your cabin.
You can buy liquor in the port and bring it to your cabin. She's already drinking a Bloody Mary. And here is our bedroom. A little narrating here. Nice full-size TV. And then we have the walk-in area for
You're taking too long.
Plus,
Go see the balcony.
I'll get the balcony.
Our balcony is.
All right. And now we have to go see the balcony. So Karen's going to open up the curtains here. We walk out to the balcony.
This is our balcony.
This is our balcony. We have two chairs over on this side. And we have two more chairs over on this side. So just to kind of give you an idea of the size of our balcony, we could actually have a party out here. This is it. And this is Barcelona. So we are good to go. Big sliding glass door. So
Sliding glass doors, sliding glass doors.
we have two
And
sliding glass,
doors.
three sliding glass doors. Wow. All right, so we are good to go. We could actually have probably about 25 people in this room and have enough room to still have room space. All right, so that's our room, 7378 Carnival Horizon, and we're off for our 7-day adventure.